Alright, today we're tearing off the door where they got it off. Put it over there. I got a bunch of wire. I'm at a workshop. I'm renting a house at the moment, so that's my soldering station. Tinned all my wire, and we're gonna be taking this speaker off, and I don't actually know what the connections look like behind this. I'm just sure it has 2 prongs like normal. We're gonna hook into here, do an inverter with the sub going back there. So we're gonna use the inverter and plug it in like normal and just power the sub. It's cool, the sub has a crossover on it by itself, so I'll be able to do crossover on the actual box itself. I can kind of fine tune it. With all that being said, let's jump into taking this guy apart. So, in order so we don't have a wire sticking through right here, we're gonna have to feed our speaker wire up in there into this rubber tube, which then comes in somewhere around up here by the pedals, and then we'll just down here along with this, we'll take a little trim out, and then we'll go back where the inverter and the sub will be sitting.